Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, the silver is trading at a level of 22.609 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and if you look at the chart, what you can see that there is a zone. Okay, mostly silver travels in a zone. Okay, and when the zone breakout happens, we have seen an upside and a downfall. Okay, and after pandemic, it after traveling this particular high, and it is moving mostly in the zone. Okay, if you look at this zone also, if you go on a day wise chart also, there is a higher chances that whenever the zone breakout happens, we have the silver moving upside and a downfall. So looking at this particular chart, chances can be high that it is close to its near of this particular low. So we can see a further fall if the price fall below a level of 21.5. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above a level of $24.5, a further upside movement we can see because there is a pattern is forming. So chances can be high that we can see a further upside. Okay, looking at this particular chart, there is a higher chances that we can see from the month of December of first week there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and now the chances are high that it is trading at a level of $22.609. Once started moving below this particular level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at this particular chart. After the doji candle we have seen a red candle is forming. Okay, and this indicates that there is a bearish trend for after this particular on a weekly basis. Okay, so now if you look at this particular chart, if you see the dollar index also, what you can see there is a clear pattern forming that if the price started going above level of $103.620, chances are very high a further upside movement we can see in the dollar index. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 102, a further fall we can see. So this is what we can see looking at this particular chart. But there is a higher chances of going further upside for the dollar index, as we can see that these levels are being already on the higher side. Okay, the trend is on for dollar index on the higher side. So let's see where the price of silver can move in the next week. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move further upside towards its next resistance coming at a level of around $22.835. Okay, and once the price started moving above that particular zone, a further upside movement we can see. From there it can go towards $23.294. Okay, and if the price sustain this level, so suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a next resistance at a level of around $22.835. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it will cross towards a level of around 23. It will cross. Okay, and once the price started sustaining up $23, a further upside we can see towards $23.427. And if that level sustain, a further high we can see from there to a level of 23.967. Okay, this 967 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it will cross that level. Okay, and from there a probability of touching a level of $24.380. This is what we can see. Okay, and once the price started moving up that particular zone, a further upside we can see, and from there a probability of going towards $24.921. Okay, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level. And yes, from there a probability of touching a level $25.321. Okay, and if the price started sustaining above that level, a further upside movement we can see. From there it will go towards a level of 25.521. Okay, and then it will touch a level of around 25.835. Okay, and as soon as it started going up this level, a further upside movement we can see, and then from there it will cross a level of $26 and the zone breakout will happen, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of silver. Okay, but as I've already explained you that market is always uncertain. Okay, so due to uncertainty, so always try to set your SL. Okay, by keeping SL you will save your capital. Okay, and once this is done, suppose if you are in profit, try to trail your SL. You will save your profit. If you are doing that, you will sustain for a longer period of time also, and you can make a good profit also. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high that it will not sustain because there is a clear pattern forming towards downside, and it is trying to break the zone towards the down. Okay, so chances of going further low is on a higher side. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move below a level of $22.473, which is already being a weak support. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of 22.297. Okay, and once the price started falling below that particular zone, we will see it will fall further low, and from there it will go towards $21.890. Okay, and if that level move further low, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 21.604. Once the price started falling below 21.604, a further downfall we can see. From there, a probability of going towards $21.294. Okay, and if that level move further fall we can see towards 20 below a level of 21, that is to a level of 20.794. Keep that in mind that once the price started falling below a level of $22.297, a further downfall we can see because there is a higher chances of it. So once it started moving below, which is trading at, it will move towards a 22.473, then to a level of 22.297. Okay, and from there a level of 21.870, 840 to a level of 21.294. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, we will see it will go below a level of $21 and it will touch a level of 20.791, and then a further low we can see, because then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me up. Within the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please